Hello and good day. This is the daily analysis of silver for the 18th. Yesterday, after an aggressive move downward, the price performed a liquidity sweep as we had predicted. After that, it was expected to enter a bullish phase and target higher prices. However, with the increase in the strength of the DXY, it moved downwards, which ultimately led to a decrease in the price of silver. Also, among the fundamental factors, we can mention the closure of the Chinese market from Monday of this week until next Monday. This closure is due to the Chinese New Year, and as a result, we have seen reduced liquidity in the silver market. This could have been one of the factors behind the price drop in the market, and with the start of Tuesday next week, the price could potentially set the higher level as the target, which with a review of the multi-time frame RSI shows movement. We can see that the price has entered a potential zone and is forming lower lows on the multi-time frame RSI. There are also lower lows forming in the price itself, which serves as confirmation for the continuation of the trend. The market is bearish, but if the price manages to move upward and break the 79.2996 level, it will have broken a change of character level, which could then be followed by a pullback to the downside and create an entry opportunity for a buy position. Place the stop loss below the swing, targeting the swing highs. But if the price drops and we observe weakness in the bearish trend, whenever price action enters the specific area of a fair value gap, or perhaps a significant doji candle zone, we can then carefully look for a clear break of a key level, or a confirmed market structure shift to occur. After that, we can use this opportunity to enter a buy position, targeting the swing highs identified in the market. But if the price is accompanied by stronger selling pressure and moves with a bearish displacement, it can target lower levels. By examining the correlation between gold and currency, we see that gold's movement fails to break through the swing highs and ultimately faces selling pressure. If the price of gold increases, silver can also follow an upward trend. By analyzing the 1-hour time frame of silver, right at the very start of Wednesday's trading session, it made a notably aggressive move and a strong bullish displacement upward. It formed several candles with significant momentum, which eventually entered deep into the specific order block zone and reacted strongly to this particular area. If it makes new highs and then closes within the range candle again, it could return. This could be a trading strategy that might push the price downward, but it is recommended to be cautious. Do not enter a sell position. Instead, only look for trading opportunities for buy positions in the market. Especially with the increase in selling pressure in the market, it could pull liquidity toward the sell side and enter an order block area or a rejection block area that is located at the 50% level. And if a change of character level forms, it could indicate a shift in the market phase from bearish to bullish. After that, it can collect the liquidity on the buy side and target higher levels. We can also draw a clear descending price channel on the chart for the price. And after breaking the top of the channel, if a pullback occurs, it could signal a bullish correction upward toward the distal edge of the FVG zone. By analyzing the 15-minute time frame of the silver symbol, using the ICT kill zone TF Lab indicator, we can identify the trading sessions and kill zone areas. And we can also see that during the Asian session, there was an aggressive move upward. During the London session, the price entered a consolidation phase. If the London session moves upward, it will collect the liquidity from the trading session buy side and then again toward. If it moves downward, the New York session could be accompanied by a bearish distribution move. However, if during the London session the price moves downward, it will collect the sell side liquidity and trigger stop losses in the market. Then could the New York session move in a bullish trend? Wishing you success and profits.